far in your small test career. And don't you think that, aren't you lamenting for missing 100?
Yeah, I am quite disappointed for missing out on a big score. I'm just really disappointed with the that I threw my wicket. Uh, with that said, it's a learning curve, and if I can't make if I don't make this mistake again, then it'll be a good learning.
Mayank, the Australians were bowling short in the morning in the first session. It sort of looked very, intimidating at times, but obviously the plan was not to lose a wicket. India did that. What was the talk after KL Rahul got out between you and Cheteshwar?
I think the plan. I'm sorry. I think the plan's been to always knit a small partnership after each wicket, and that's the same thing that we spoke about. We said we got to get a partnership together, and they're bowling well, and I thought they did bowl really well, and we said that let's try and play close to the body, and not give them wickets, even if we're not getting too many runs too quick, it's all right. But let's try and knit a partnership and then take it from there on.
You spent considerable time with Rahul Dravid with India team and back home. So, what are the kind of inputs you had and the technical advices role you had? Basically, the influence of Dravid.
Obviously, playing under him is good. We as batsmen speak a lot to him about our technique, about our game, and he's out there to help us and guide us and take us, and try and help us climb the ladder. And his advice has been really helpful.
Any particular thing that you benefited from?
Yeah, he told me to particularly think about how to manage my mental energies, and that's something that we've spoken about for about 4 to 6 months, and he's helped me just go through that path.
As coming into the team, what's it been like batting with Pujara? The form he's in, you talk about mental energy, and has he helped you? Has it given you confidence being out there batting with someone like him at the other end?
Definitely is. It's just great to watch him bat from the other end, and also just keep watching him bat. The way he grinds the bowlers, he's got a pattern to it. He understands his strengths and he sticks to that. And he knows he's very tight with his defense, and he looks to do that and waits for the bad ball to come. And as far as partnership is concerned, he keeps talking. He keeps saying that these are the things that we can look at. Obviously, with his experience, he tells me that probably this is what they're looking to do, and they're probably looking to attack and all of those kinds, and helps. We just keep communicating a lot while we're batting out there, so it really helps.
Mayank, the fact that you had to wait to get your test cap despite the mountain of runs, and you played around the world, did that sort of calm you down when you came into the test match arena? I mean, you could have been over-eager to grab your chance, but you seemed completely at home. So did that sort of prepare you to?
It definitely does. Runs for a batsman gives a batsman a lot of confidence, and the more runs you get, the more games you play, the better understanding of your game, and more confidence in your game, and more belief in your game. So I think that those runs have really helped me and have given me a lot of confidence and helped me stay within myself.
That's true.
Mike, that sustained spell of fast short bowling, have you faced a spell like that before? A similar kind of spell at any level?
Yes, I remember facing just very recently against the New Zealand A side. I thought they also came really hard, but to be really honest, I think the Aussies came really hard. They bowled quick bouncers, and they were very sharp there, and they were consistent there. They didn't give absolutely nothing away.
Finally, just big picture, how do you see the game set up, and do you think sort of one more good day from India can break Australia?
I think we are very happy. We would have liked to be just probably 3 down, but with that said, 300 for 4 on first day choosing to bat, I think we're in a great position. Also depends on how we continue it tomorrow.